Hi, today we will be coding a navigation bar using HTML and CSS. Open a HTML file type and change the title. Right-click the document and open it on Live Server to check the changes you make to the document. Add the nav tag to place all the menu items in it. Give it a class. Add a do tag to place the logo on it. Add an a tag and add the logo. Add a UL tag to the document. Give it a class. Add a list tag and a tag and create the menu tabs. Copy it a few times. Create the menu tabs as required. Change the names according to your requirement. Create a CSS file and link it to the HTML file using the link tag. Select the whole HTML file using asterisk. Give it a padding of 0, a margin of 0, and a box sizing as border box. Select the class of the navigation tag. Give it a width of 100%, a height of 60 pixels. Change the display to flex space between for the content and select a background color. Select the class for logo. Change the background color. Give it a width of 160 pixel and align the content on the center. Select the a tag. Change the text decoration to none. Select a color for the font. Change the font size and weight. Change the display to flex. Center the content. Select the menu class. Give it a width and background color. Add a padding of 10 pixel. Select the li tag. Change the display to inline block. Add a background color. Change the width to 120 pixel. Add a line height and border radius. Select the a tag of the list items. Change the text decoration to none. Select a color of your choice, font size and weight. Change the display to flex and center the content. Add a hover effect to change the color as you move through the tabs. To make the hover effect, select the li tag, change the background color, and select the a tag and change the color. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.